Hey guys, it's Pix Travels here. We got a package. It's Beambox. Okay, let's go and check it out. Here's what the inside looks like. Alright. Here's the product. That right there. I'm gonna set this here. And it shows right under it how to wire. Right there. Pull that out. Comes with power over Ethernet block. Stuff to put it on the wall. And then Ethernet cord. Which those are in bags that I can't open very well right now. It says connect once plugged in. Start by connecting to the Beambox network name. Enter the PIN code that we sent to your email address and click activate. Okay. There. That was the Beambox unboxing. I will do a part 2 on this video to let you guys know how it works and how well it has been doing for me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below anything about this. Anything helps.